Everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to yet another new video. If you're a new subscriber here and if you're seeing me for the very first time, hi, my name is Anjali and this is my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be a very different sort of a video. I have not done such kind of a video for a very long time. In fact, I have not done this kind of video ever on my channel. So I'm really excited for you guys to see the video. In this video, I am going to be doing a one brand makeup tutorial and the brand that I've chosen today is going to be Nykaa Cosmetics. If you are living under a rock, if you don't know, Nykaa has their own makeup line. So today I am going to be sharing one makeup tutorial using all the Nykaa products. There are a couple of things that Nykaa doesn't have, so I'm going to be using it with some other brand, but I'll share it with you what I'm using. But to be honest, I'm really excited. There are some products that I have already used before and there are some brand new products. So this is going to be like a very big chit chat sort of a video. So grab yourself some cup of tea or coffee or whatever you feel like, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. So okay, I've already moisturized my lips using the Nykaa Lip Crush Moisturize Lip Balm in the flavor blueberry. This is a very good lip balm. I have tried their lemon flavor and this is the blueberry flavor, and they smell amazing, but they don't last for a very long time. If you're someone who has really dry lips, this might not be for you because you have to keep on reapplying it again and again. But if you're someone who has like normal to dry lips, I would really suggest you getting your hands on these, and this is quite affordable and the packaging is very moving on. Next, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Potion Facial Oil. This is how it looks like. I have in the shade or the variant Glowing Boosting Facial Oil. Now you have a lot of different variants उनके वेबसाइट पे. I guess at least 8 से 10 different variants है, जिसके मतलब कोई एक्ने के लिए है, कोई स्किन लाइटनिंग के लिए है, कोई बहुत सारे अलग प्रॉपर्टीज के स्किन पोशन ऑयल्स मिले हैं. मैंने आज ग्लो बूस्टिंग लिया है and this retails for 699 rupees. I haven't tried this ever, so this is the first time that I'm going to be trying packaging. It's a glass packaging, again a A+. So I'm just going to put this on my face like I would normally do, like my normal oil. It smells minty, it smells nice. I love the smell of mints, so it smells nice overall. If you're someone who really don't, and it's a very strong smell, guys. It's very strong. So if you're someone who doesn't like really strong smells, this might not be for you. But it's nice, I like it. It's quite a good oil. और अगर मैं बार वहाँ देख रही हूँ, it's because मेरा व्यू फाइंडर वहाँ है और मेरे पास कोई मिरर नहीं है अपने आप को देखने के लिए. So yeah, overall I really like the oil. It's nice, it's moisturizing, it's hydrating. It's quite the smell of the oil is quite strong. So if you're someone who don't really like strong smell products, this might not be for you. But overall, it's a very nice product. You can obviously use this as like mixing your foundation. If you are a very thick foundation, आप थोड़ा सा oil लगा के उसको mix करके you can make it thin. So they have very बहुत सारे techniques से आप try कर सकते हो. So this is like more like a moisturizer for my skin, and it looks hydrating, it looks glowy. So that's that. Okay, so once the oil has settled into the skin, next I am going to be using a primer. So this is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer, Tone Plus Smoothens Plus Perfects Your Base, and this is 30 grams of product for rupees 549. I have not used this primer ever, so this is the first time me using it. Actually, I ordered a lot of products from Nykaa just for the sake of this video, and that's why I have not used this. So this is the consistency. It's like a silicone base, really reminds me of the Color Bar Match Perfecting Primer that they have. So I'm just going to place this product wherever I usually tend to get oily, which is on the bridge of my nose, on my cheek area, and also on the cupid's bow, and a little bit on my forehead. So I'm just going to place that product in, and I'm just going to press the product and dab it into my skin. So it immediately mattified my skin. So if you guys can see here, there are a couple of oily patches, but over here it's nice and matte. So it does mattifies your face. It does tone. टोनिंग का तो पता नहीं मेरे को, टोनिंग का कुछ फर्क लग रहा नहीं है, बट इट डिड स्मूदन आउट माई स्किन नाइसली. ओवर हियर इट्स क्वाइट स्मूथ, ओवर हियर इट्स क्वाइट rough sort of a texture. So it does smoothen out and does perfects your face. So I really like this primer. If you're someone who is really who are just starting off with the makeup or beginner ho, so I would really suggest you getting your hands on this primer. Okay, so now our skin is nicely prepped. Now we'll move on to the actual makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is this one. I'm going to use a liquid highlighter all over my face. This is the Nykaa Strobe and Glow liquid highlighter. Like there are many different ways you can use the highlighter. आपका makeup होने के बाद you can use it as a liquid highlighter or however you feel like. So or you can mix with your foundation, but I'm going to be using this before the foundation. So this is how it looks like. This is in the shade glazed bronze. मैंने जितना भी देखा है नायका की पैकेजिंग ऐसी pump sort of इसमें आती है, पता नहीं क्यों. It's quite handy but I don't feel it's like very hygienic. तो I'm just going to place the product like on my face like so, not too much because I don't want to look like a tin can at the end of the video. So I'm just gonna take my MAC stippling brush, which is 188 brush. I don't have Nykaa brushes, so I'm just going to buff this into my skin with a stippling brush like so. So the glow is pretty nice. As you guys can see, it has given me like a bronze sort of a finish. I'm also going to take this product on my neck. तो नॉर्मली जैसे लिक्विड हाइलाइटर्स आपको ग्लो और फिनिश देते हैं वैसा ही है. द रियल टेस्ट इज आफ्टर यूजिंग अ फाउंडेशन ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. आई गेस आई यूज अ लिटिल मोर बिकॉज दिस वाज नॉट इनफ. तो थोड़ा सा मैं लगाऊंगी ऑन माई फोरहेड, ऑन माई नोज, थोड़ा यहाँ पर. उसकी जो प्रेस ट्यूब है वो उतनी खास नहीं है. द प्रोडक्ट डजंट कम आउट इजीली बट it does the job. ठीक है, चलेगा. And all the product details will be listed in the description box below with the price and it always be written on the screen as well. तो glow आपको दिख रहा है. It has given me a very nice glow, like a bronze sort of a glow. So I'm really loving that. But the real test is, as I said earlier, it's when I use a foundation on top of it. So right now, so far so good. Now we will skip on to the foundation part. Okay, so for foundation I'm going to be using my favorite Nykaa Skin Shield foundation and this is in the shade, what shade is this? 04 Rose Beige. This is a product that I have used so many times and honestly I love the foundation. It is a very nice natural looking foundation and you don't need a lot of it. So I have a couple, like a dot on my face and I'm just going to be dotting it all over my face like so. This is again a very good foundation. It's quite thick but it's a nice foundation. It doesn't leave your face cakey or something like that. So how I usually like to use this product is dot it on my face like so and then take my foundation brush. This is the Real Techniques foundation brush and just blend the foundation in. So usually the foundation is not this drying but I don't know why it is feeling quite stiff. पता नहीं क्यों but हाँ, I guess it's because of the oil or whatever it is. I don't know. But usually the foundation doesn't feel this stiff but I guess it's feeling stiff right now. I don't know what is it. But anyways, you can see the coverage. It's a very nice coverage sort of a foundation. So overall, if you are someone who are looking for a very nice natural looking foundation without looking it very cakey, I would really suggest you using this foundation. It's very affordable और उसकी finish भी बहुत अच्छी है. Honestly, I love this foundation and I feel this is my second or third bottle of this because that is such an amazing product and it's, as you guys can see, it's very natural. It's not that cakey on your skin also. So I really like this foundation. Okay, so moving on to the next step, which is concealer. So I don't have the concealers. Quickly, I'm just going to be using my L'Oreal True Match concealer and I'm just gonna conceal my under eyes. Not too much, just a little. So I've learned this new technique where you just put your concealer under, in your inner corners and outside your eyes, so it doesn't give you like a very heavy cakiness feeling. So I'm just going to use this concealer and I'm just going to blend it very fatafat se. And then we'll move on to cream contour today because I'm going to be cream contouring after a very long time. So I'm super excited. Okay, so our foundation and concealer is done. Now we'll move on to cream contour. So today I'm going to be using the Nykaa Skin Shield Conceal and Color palette in the shade Deep 03 and this is the palette how it looks like. It has the orange color, the yellow color and couple of contouring shades. So I'm going to be mixing up 1, 2 and these 3 contour shades and I'm going to be cream contouring today, and for that I'm going to be using like a nice sort of like a squarish sort of a brush. So usually I just dip into the 1, 2 and 3 like however I feel like. थोड़ा थोड़ा लेती हूँ सबका, and I just keep on placing the product like wherever I usually contour, which is over here like that on my jawline. This product, the concealer products are quite creamy, so it's easy to blend also, so you don't have any complaints using this product. So I've used these products on my clients as well, and even they have not complained ever because it gives like a very nice finish. But you have to make sure that you blend in the product fatafat se, because they might end up drying because it's like a cream sort of. So I've placed the contour wherever it's needed, and I'm going to be using like a flat top kabuki brush, and I'm just going to blend in the contour. You guys can see how it was easy to blend, and it's very natural looking. It's not that harsh also, so that is the one thing that I really like about this product. And you get many different shades. This is the shade D03, but you have many other shades. You have one for only concealing and one for mostly color correcting, in which you have purples, yellows, and all that different shade for your skin. So really suggest you if you want. And this really reminds me of the MAC Conceal palette, but an affordable version of it. So overall, I really like the the concealer palette, because it's very nice, it's very affordable, and it's smoothly blending into my skin. I know I look like a tan pot right now, but we'll fix it, don't worry, because we have a powder left and all that is left now. So yeah, overall I really love this concealer palette, and as you guys can see, a little does a long way. My nose looks horrible right now, but yeah, just make sure that you use a little product at a time. Don't end up using a lot, because you might end up looking like this. But I'm going to fix this. Now moving on to setting this face, I'm going to be using the Nykaa Compact. This is this wala compact. It's not written what compact it is, but I am in the shade 02 Rose Beige. So I'm just going to take like a powder brush, and I'm just going to take off the excess, and I'm just going to set my under eyes and on my lids. I don't want to set my entire face because I don't like the finish of it. It gives me like a powder sort of a finish. So a little tap of the excess and just where I need it. Okay, so moving on to blushers, I have two palettes from Nykaa. This is in the shade 03 and this is in the shade 02. I feel like using 02 today because this is something that I've used a lot, and I have used their blush palette and their highlighter palettes, so I know how exactly they work. So this is how it looks like. It has like a dark pinky color and like a peachy sort of a pink color. So I'm just going to take this over here like a peachy blush, and it is very pigmented, you guys. So whenever you're using it, don't forget to tap off the excess because you might end up looking a lot. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to take the blush and put it on my face like this. It gives like a nice flush of tint, which I really like. It's like a very nice natural blush. You can see the difference how it shows. So it's not that, you know, heavy or something like that. It gives like a natural finish. They have, again, I have two variants of highlighters over here. This is their highlighter duo in the shade 24 Karat Glam 01. I have used this again in a lot of my videos and in my tutorials. So this is how it looks like. This has like a nice golden champagne shade and a golden shade. I have used this a lot, so I won't be using this today. But today we are going to be trying out something new. This is their new Glow Gold Shimmer Brick, and this is in the shade Good O Gold. So this is how it looks like. This really reminds me of the Revlon shimmer bricks that they had and the Bobbi Brown shimmer mix. So they have a lot of variant like color range both unke paas. They have in the shade pinks and everything. So I'm just taking my fan brush and I'm just going to apply the... Whoa! Do you see that glow? Oh my god! Woo! I did end up putting up a lot. Yeah, so we have to blend the baby, but it's quite pigmented. But I really like, if you are someone who are looking for a blinding highlighter, I would really suggest you go for this highlighter. because it's quite blinding. So I have got you more closer because we are going to move on to the eyebrows and the eyeshadow. So for eyebrow, I'm going to be using this pencil. This is the Brow Girl Brow Definer pencil. I have used their eyebrow definer, like a Brow Chica Wow pencil, and that is amazing. That is very pigmented. This is something that I'm using for the very first time. So it comes with a pen like this, and it also comes with a spoolie on the other side. Honestly speaking, I just did my eyebrows yesterday, so I don't feel I need a lot of filling into my eyebrows, but still will test this product out. Pigment wise, where is the product? अच्छा, you have to बहुत आपको उसके ऊपर प्रेशर डालना पड़ता है, फिर जाके प्रोडक्ट आता है. बट लेट्स सी हाउ इट वर्क्स ऑन माई आईब्राउज. सो इट इज स्लाइडिंग वेरी स्मूथली. इतना कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ तो नहीं रहा है आईब्राउज पे, एज यू गाइस कैन सी, एंड इट्स पिगमेंटेड. तो it's not the best, I would say. It's the Brow Chica Wow pencil is much better than this, but if you are looking for someone who wants that a natural brow finish, you guys can see the difference. If you are someone who are looking for a very natural brow sort of a finish, I would really recommend going for this one. Otherwise, if you're someone who are into bold eyebrows like me, this pencil is not for you because it's quite hard. As you guys saw earlier, मुझे बहुत प्रेशर डालना पड़ा पिगमेंट लाने के लिए बाहर, तो इट्स नॉट दैट नाइस, बट चल जाता है अगर आपको उतना कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता तो. Moving on to eyeshadow and the part that I'm excited about the most. So I ordered myself this eyeshadow palette from Nykaa, which says just Wing It eyeshadow palette, and this is in the shade Sweet Sunday. Me being me, I obviously picked up this natural colors sort of eyeshadow. So it comes with this, and it also comes with a brush. This is the palette, and it comes with a brush like this, which is something that I don't use because I don't like this sponge applicators. But anyways, talking about the shade range, this is how it looks like. It has like a lot of matte and lot of shimmers also. So ये section जो है वो खाली matte eyeshadows है, और ये section में 1, 2 और ये 1, 2, 3, 4 shimmery shades hai. So I'm looking for playing up with some couple of shades over here, so I'm really excited to try this out. They have a lot of color ranges. They have nudes, they have pinks, and it also has like a huge massive mirror, which is always a plus. So I exactly don't know what type of eye look I want to do, but I have like an idea of what I want to do because I really want to use this pink shade over here. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to pick up this pink shade over here with a flat fluffy brush, and I'm going to be putting that color on my crease as my transition shade. So the product deposit is quite good. Okay, it's nice, pigmented. I love this. It's really nice to blend also. It's not that chalky. And talking about the fallouts, the fallouts भी नहीं अगर आपको दिख रहा है तो it's quite good of a palette. I like it. फिलहाल के लिए so far so good. I'm just depositing this color into my crease as my transition shade. Okay, so I'm going to take like a nice dense sort of a brush, and I'm going to be picking up this purple sort of a shade from the palette, and I'm just going to be doing like a halo eye sort of a look. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the color and I'm going to put this in the inner corners. As you guys can see, it's quite a lot of a product, like it's very very pigmented. So I'm going to put this color in the inner corner, and also going to deposit the color in the outer corner of my eye, like so. Once that's done, I'm going to be using the same pink brush that we used earlier, and halke haath se I'm just going to blend the product. So the colors are like very easy to blend. ऐसा नहीं है कि बहुत hard है, and the fallout भी उतना नहीं है, and it's like a very nice product. If you are someone who are looking for an everyday eyeshadow palette, I would really suggest, because they have a lot of colors, like variants in their range. तो बहुत सारे nudes है, pinks है, जो भी आपको पसंद आए, you can take it. So this is my base that I have done. Now I'm going to be taking up this shimmery shade over here. I'm going to pick it with my finger only. You guys can see it's amazing, and I'm just going to deposit this color in between my lid like so. Wow, I love this. I love the palette. Honestly, I can't wait to try it more. I feel I'm gonna order more of these. Woo! You see? Wait, I'll just show you guys. See? I love the foundation. I love the eyeshadow. So I'm gonna take the same brush and I'm just going to buff out the creases for a very nice smooth finish. Okay, so both the eyes are done and they look stunning. The mattes are perfect. The shimmer shades are also amazing, and I love how the end result is looking. So yeah, moving on to eyeliner. So I have two eyeliners from them. One is in the blue, one is in blue, and one is in black. So I feel I am going to be using the black only because I want to make like a nice wing eyeliner. I have not done this wing liner for a very long time, and I am in the shade 01. Again, I have used this and tried it before as well, and used it in my couple of my videos. So I don't have a lot to say because this liner is amazing. Look at the pigment, it's quite nice and it's quite dense. It dries out semi matte, pura matte nahi hai. So if you're someone who are fully matte, this might not be for you. It dries out semi matte. So I'm just going to make like a very small wing, hopefully. Let's see. Okay, so my wings are made. They don't have a mascara, so I'm just going to quickly use my Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. They have false lashes, but I don't have them, so I'm just going to work out with this mascara very quickly. So far, whatever products are that I've used, जो नए थे, I am super impressed. Except for I guess this lip balm right over here, because it's not quite moisturizing how I like my lip balms to be. But as I said earlier, if you're someone who are looking for normal, if you have like normal lips, itna dry lips nahi hai, so you can use that. Okay, so eyes are pretty done, I feel, and now we will quickly move on to which is the last part of the entire video. So I ordered myself these 3 mini lipsticks from Nykaa, and these are in the shade 17M, 12M and 03M. So these are the shades. I'll just quickly show you guys. So these are the shades. This is quite a pink color, this is more like a nude color, and this is more like a purpley pinkish color. So I feel I will use the nude color because we are doing so much onto the eyes. Look at how small and cute this lipstick is. I hope it works. I hope it works because there's sometimes mini lipsticks really don't work. So I'm just going to... Whoa, it does work. I'm just going to... Okay, so this is the final makeup look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and all the opinions that I have given in this video is by far my honest opinions. Is nothing like कि मैं कुछ partiality कर रही हूँ या ऐसा कुछ नहीं. These are my honest opinions, and I really hope you guys enjoy the video and you love the look, because to be honest, this is my favorite look that I've ever recreated. So that's pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, you know what to do. You have to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also leave the comments in the comment section down below which video you would like to see next. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video next week. Bye everyone.